Hey everyone, Scott Jansen here with a quick video to let you know about our upcoming 4-day advanced conversational hypnosis program. This is our live event. It is happening on August the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th, and we are now open for enrollment. So I'll keep this video fairly short. I've left a link below that gives you all the details about enrollments, guys. All the bonuses. We're actually giving away a little bit over $5,000 worth of bonuses for people that enroll fairly quickly. These spots will fill up fairly quick. All the things you need to know about ACH, why it's different, what you're going to get. Like I said, all the bonuses and all the extracurricular stuff you're going to be getting as a part of this course. But to give you a quick overview, guys, if you're currently a hypnotherapist and you've learned the more traditional ways of doing therapy, which is reading the scripts, drilling the language patterns, the relaxation, giving away audios, giving away homework, having to do like the forced regressions, the forced visualizations, even when your clients can't visualize, you know, all the clunky techniques, the timelines, and you're finding that this stuff is not only clunky and awkward to use, it's not getting the results. Not only that, you're not able to sell your services for any more than like $100 to $150. Your business won't grow, and you're pretty much stuck at an end where you have all these tools in your toolbox, but nothing seems to be working. This is why ACH was designed, guys. So this course, if you haven't heard of ACH before, ACH ditches the traditional way of doing things. It is literally a therapeutic training. We're not worrying about the hypnosis. We're not using scripts. We're not drilling language patterns. You're not going to learn regressions. You're not going to learn visualizations. You definitely won't need to be giving away homework and audios. The whole idea behind this, guys, is to rapidly speed up the results with your clients. The more traditional students that we have come into this program that are doing like, you know, the typical 3 to 5, if not 6 sessions per client. Now they've moved completely over or 100% over to ACH, and they're getting the same results, or actually better results because it's quicker, within 30 minutes, 45 minutes. And they're only having to see their clients once, and they're charging anywhere between $1,500 all the way up to $5,500 per client. And this is what you guys are going to be learning. If you are sick of the scripts, you're sick of writing them, you're sick of having to read them, you're having to spend, 2 to 3 hours just preparing for a session, all of those things can now take a backseat. I really guarantee and I really recommend that ACH should be a skill that all hypnotherapists should be learning if you not only want to charge a premium price, but want to speed up your breakthrough. So over the 4 days, guys, this is what you're going to be learning. The first 2 days are going to be completely ACH training. It's from start to finish. It is a full therapeutic timeline. This is not a tool. This is not a technique. This is to get rid of all the traditional stuff you might have done in the past and showing you a full timeline of how to start with a client, how to work with a client therapeutically, and how to end the session properly. It's all of those things in the first 2 days. The third day is what everyone seems to be enjoying the most, which is our full day of business training. So we're going to show you how to get the right prices, how to structure the results, how to sell ACH between $1,500 to $5,500 per client, even if you've only got to see that client for like 30 minutes, how to put together your offer. But I'm also going to be giving you my 7-figure script, basically just read it to your clients, that'll do all the selling for you, regardless of your niche, regardless of your background, regardless of even if you've just been qualified and you want to introduce ACH into your sessions, we give you that script. On day 4, this is a personal development day. This is a new day that we've just added. ACH used to be 3 days, but now it's 4. We're going to spend a full day learning my self-hypnosis and advanced self-hypnosis to up your confidence as a therapist, to maybe set your own goals unconsciously, to get rid of your own conflicts, to get rid of your own issues and destroy any bad habits. So you have ultimately learning how to become your own therapist. So guys, like I mentioned, that's just a quick overview. Click the link below. It'll give you all of the details. The cost for this course for enrollment is $997. The cool thing about this, guys, is once you enroll in this program, you'll be able to see this in the details below. But once you've enrolled in this program, you're in it for life. We're giving you what is called a VIP ticket once you've enrolled once into this program, which is going to allow you to attend every live ACH training all the way into the future. You'd never have to pay again. We typically train ACH about 2 to 4 times per year, and you have unlimited enrollments. You never pay again. All you've got to do is show up. This is not even counting I think it works out to be about $5,200 worth of bonuses that you guys are going to get. But also, once you enroll, you'll automatically get login details to our state-of-the-art training platform on Kajabi, where you can access over 200 hours of past ACH trainings. We record every ACH training that we do. We upload it into our training platform, and you have those things for life. So like I said, $997 to enroll, guys. That's Australian dollars. Keep everything for life. Unlimited enrollments to all the future ACH trainings. The 200 hours of content that'll grow each time we do another ACH training. The state-of-the-art platform. All the bonuses, the 4-day training, like I said, guys, you're not going to get any better value than this. And the typical results we're hearing from students, because they give us this feedback, is they say, Scott, I'm only using ACH now. I have literally ditched everything else. I no longer have to see my clients multiple times. I'm not preparing anything. I'm not giving homework and audios. I'm not reading the scripts. I'm not spending 2 to 3 to 4 hours with clients, relaxing them or anything like that. All I'm doing is ACH, because guys, when it comes to it, ACH is really the therapy that works. It's the therapy part of the training that most traditional hypnosis trainings, or pretty much all of them, miss out on. They're all focused on the hypnosis, the deepening, the relaxation, but no one's talking about the therapy. That's where ACH comes in. So guys, I've talked long enough. I cannot wait to see you in this program. Look at the link below to give you all the details. We only have 100 spots per training. And by making this video right now, we did a pre-sale. We're already 30% filled up. So guys, this goes very, very quickly. And this will be our last training for 2023. So if you have any questions, post them below. You can also reach out to me on social media, send me a friend request, ask any question you have. But check out the details below, guys, in that link. It'll give you all the details, all the bonuses, what you're going to get, how to enroll, all answering your common questions, all that stuff that you need to know. So guys, I look forward to seeing you on the training. Bye for now.